Oscar Awards was conferred annually by Academic of Motion Pictures Arts and Science USA. Robert Koch worked on tuberculosis. Satyajit Ray received Magsaysay Award for Journalism, Literature and Creative Communication Arts in 1967. The agreement according to which the UK, the USA and the former USSR cannot assist other countries in acquiring technology to develop nuclear weapons is known as Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. The red triangle symbolizes family planning. PT Usha, who came close to bagging a bronze, finished fourth in blank in 1984 Olympics. (400-meter hurdle). Photophobia is abnormal intolerance of light. Pressure cooker cooks rice faster because high pressure raises the boiling point of water. The ancient Olympic Games came to a sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned them as paper manifestations. The modern Olympic Games were received after a lapse of nearly 15 centuries. Reproductive cells in human beings are produced in greater number for a longer period of time in the male. The study of earthquakes is known as seismology. The 2005 Australian Open Tennis Championship title for men's and women's singles were won respectively by Marat Safin and Serena Williams. Penicillin was invented by A. Fleming. Superconductivity is a phenomena in which the resistance of a substance becomes zero at very low temperature. The African Fund Action for Resisting Invasion, Colonialism and Apartheid under India's leadership was instituted by 9 a.m.